Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. Classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss AS and A-level paper 5 probability statistic 1 February March 2025 question, and this question is about the probability, then expectance, variance related question. Okay, and this one is a structured question, so we will discuss it, even in-depth concepts as well. Okay, so our classes, regular batches are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. You can straight away connect with us. So here first part is Jacob throws the 3 coin at the same time, and the first coin is biased so that the probability of obtaining head is 1/3. Fine. Then second coin, the probability of obtaining head is 1/4. Third coin, probability of obtaining head is 1/5. All right, so the random variable x is the number of heads obtained. Okay, so this variable x is defined as a number of heads obtained. So show that here probability of x is equal to 2 is 3/20. Fine. So probability of getting 2 heads is equal to 3/20. Now here we'll prepare the firstly table which shows the number of heads and the probability of head and tail for first coin, second coin and third coin. All right. So this is first coin, second coin and third coin. Here head and tail. All right. So this is here coins, first one, second one and third one. Yeah, so probability of getting head for first coin is 1/3 and tail 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3, isn't it? Now here for second one it's 1/4 and tail is 3/4. Okay, now third one it's a 1/5 and tail is 4/5. All right, now here the Jacobs throws the 3 coins, isn't it? And we will get the different outcomes, isn't it? So we will list down all the outcomes, means so we'll get the, let's say, first coin head, second coin head, third coin also head. So it's a head, then nextly head, tail, tail, head. Then next one, 2 tails. 2 means head, tail, head, tail, then tail, head, then 3 tails means 0 heads even. Okay, these are the 8 outcomes we will get. Now in which are the cases we are getting 2 heads here. This is first one, this is second one and this is third one. In these 3 cases we are getting the 2 heads. Okay, so here we'll write down their probabilities as well. Okay, so first one, now first case we are getting head here, means it's a 1/3, right? Then second case head, again here we'll get the 1/4 and third attempt we are getting tail, means it's a 4/5. So multiply them as well. So it's a 1/3 times 1/4 times 4/5, isn't it? This is how, means you have to multiply. All right, then nextly second case head means 1/3 times tail is 3/4 times 1/5. Yeah, and third case it's a tail, means it's 2/3 times 1/4 times 1/5. Okay, now multiply them and add them. Now what's the multiplication we will get here? First one, now denominator part, 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. Yeah, so 4/60 first case, 3/60 second case and third case 2/60. Now if you add just a numerator, because denominator is same, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, isn't it? So it's a 9/60 means 3/20. That's a simplified form and that is what we have to show it there, isn't it? I hope you understood this explanation completely. Now second part, we have to draw the probability distribution table. Now if you observe this, all the possible cases, you will get the x means number of heads, 0 heads, right? 1 head, these 3 cases, isn't it? And 2 heads already we have calculated and 3 heads. So this is probability table we have to prepare. So here we have a x value, right? Probability 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is what probability distribution table we have to prepare here. So this is x, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So probability of x. So probability of x, when 2 heads already we have calculated, that is 3/20. Now if you look at this one smart way, we will calculate the 0 heads and 3 heads. That's easy. Yeah, so probability of getting getting 0 hits. X is equal to 0, isn't it? Now 0 means we have a tell, right? Tell and tell. So in the three cases, tell means it's a 2 by 3 times 3 by 4 times 4 by 5. Simplified, 4 get cancelled out, 3 get cancelled out. It's a 2 by 5. Here you can write it as a 2 by 5 in the table. Now probability of getting X is equal to 3 heads, right? Means it's a Yach and Yach. We know that first case Yach is 1/3, second case Yach is, second coin head is actually 1/4 and 1/5. So it's a 1 by 60, isn't it? So it's a, you can write here 1 by 60. Now I hope you might be knowing the probability of P of all the X values is equal to always 1. We can use this equation here to calculate the probability of getting one head. Fine, one head. We have to do all this calculation. Rather than doing this one, you can go with the smart way. Fine. So here probability of getting X means one head is equal to 1 minus, you can subtract 2 by 5 plus 3 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Okay, now if you subtract it, actually you will get the 13 by 20. Here also you can add this one, 13 by 20. I hope you are getting it, all these things. Now we have to do the next part, that is, given that E of X is 4 by, given that E of X is 47 by 60, find the V of X. Okay, now I hope if it is not given here E of X, then I hope you might be knowing how to calculate even E of X as well. So but for it's an explanation video, so I will explain it as well for your understanding purpose, but in the exam no need to answer if they haven't asked. So here E of X is equal to Xi times Pi. Fine, means you have to just multiply 0 times 2 by 5 plus 1 times 13 by 20 plus 2 times 3 by 20 plus 3 times 1 by 60. So it's a 47 by 60. Yeah. So this is what we have to do to calculate the E of X. Now V of X is var of X is equal to, we have formula E of X square. E of X square minus E of X bracket square. Now E of X means it's a summation of, means here also summation of X square, Xi square times Pi. Fine. Minus here E of X already given in the question itself. So no need to do anything. So here we'll calculate these things. Okay, so X square means 0 square times 2 by 5, fine, plus 1 square times 13 by 20 plus 2 square times 3 by 20 plus 3 square times 1 by 60, all right, minus here 47 by 60 bracket square we have to take. And if you do this calculation in your calculator, you will get straight away answer 0.570. That's it. That's the answer, final answer. I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe to our channel as well. Enjoy the math, and to know these kind of tips and tricks in the math, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.